In this video, we will walk you through the steps to how to use Jira Ticket Generator. This agent aims to generate detailed tickets based on product topics, features, and UI designs. Complete the variables before initialing the conversation. Provide details for the feature you want to develop. Input details specifying the UI mockup you need. Fill in the feature name or the name of this user story. Provide details about the user type. Enter the user goal, such as the purpose or benefits of this feature. Initiate the conversation by clicking Start Chat. Fill in the request for the generation of a ticket based on the provided input variable. Click on this button if you want to upload any attachments or files for this generation. The agent will follow the prompts to analyze the input information, reorganize and extend the content, then output the response as shown. You can directly copy the content on your internal Jira ticket. It costs fewer time than traditional editing method. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Jira Ticket Generator.